Good morning, students. Hope you all are very fine and taking care of you. Are you? Okay. Now I am going to start chapter number 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Okay. And I will also send you the supporting video to this chapter. In that, the whole characteristics of Nelson Mandela I will send you. Don't worry. Okay. Who was Nelson Mandela and how he fought for the freedom. But before starting this chapter, see before you read. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Can you say which of the three countries named below such a political system until very recently? United States of America, South Africa or Australia? And the answer is C. Have you heard of Nelson Mandela? Mandela in his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. Apartheid. First see the meaning of. For example, if nowadays you are watching the news, and to watch the news nowadays this is very important, and most of DD National, the news on DD National, because it is in English language, and it will help you to get this chapter very nicely. Now see, in America, if you are remembering, in 15 or 20 days before, there was a mass march of blackish. Are you getting my point? There are blackish persons also, okay, and this is called a apartheid. For example, I can describe you this concept in this way. One blackish man died there due to coronavirus, but he was lying on a road and no one was ready to help him. Even police also denied to help him, and so the condition was there like so many people came in lockdown also. So many people came on the road and they fought for their rights. As they are blackish, okay, as they are blackish, they are out of America, they are not born in America, and this is the reason they were thinking the government of the Trump government is discriminating between us and whitish people. Are you getting my point? उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि ट्रम्प गवर्नमेंट गोरे और कालों में भेदभाव कर रही है. This incident is before in this coronavirus COVID-19 condition before 19 or 20 days in America. Okay, and same thing was Nelson Mandela facing in Africa at that time in 1994 or in this period of time. And Mandela become, but after so many struggles, after fighting, spent some lifetime fighting, he spent his whole life fighting against the apartheid. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. How many years? For example, here Gandhiji, he was fighting his whole life against British government. In Africa, Nelson Mandela was there and he was fighting for 30 years. He spent 30 years in prison and fighting for her whole life. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. Mandela became a first black president of a new nation. Now see, in this extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion, the inauguration. Can you guess what occasion might be? Check your guess with the news item from BBC on 10th May 1994. It's okay. Now see, Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. How? Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of a white rule. More than 3 centuries of white rule. Here see the controversy. Centuries, it means a period of 100 years. It means 300 सालों में कोई भी ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बना था. Mandela was first. In how many years? In 300 years. 3 centuries of a white rule. 300 सालों से वहाँ पे whitish का ही what can we say? Whitish government was there. Okay. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress ANC party won 252 of 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa's history. The inauguration ceremony took place in Union Buildings Amphitheatre in Pretoria, today, attended by the politics. This is article, as we have also seen how to write an article. So this is article. And attended by the politicians, dignitaries, and from more than 140 countries around the world. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. Address here it means speech. In his speech, Mandela has announced that never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another. Oppression of one by another. इस लैंड ने कभी भी इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया था जितना आज किया है. ब्यूटीफुल लैंड एक्सपीरियंस ऑपरेशन ऑफ वन बाय अनदर. Jubilant scenes on the street of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites and color reds celebrating together. Oppression of one by another, it means the government was first, it was from blackish side, then it was whitish side, one by another. Okay. Jubilant scenes of the street of Pretoria followed ceremony with blacks, whites, color reds celebrating together. More than 1 lakh South African men, women and children of the races sang and danced with joy. They sang and they danced with joy. So this is the article of BBC of 10th May 1994 when Mandela became first blackish president of the Africa. Okay, so this is the summary of your chapter. Now see, I am going to start the chapter. 10th May, dawn bright and clear. For the past few days I had seen presently beside by the dignitaries and the world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before inauguration. The inauguration would be largest gathering ever of the international leaders of South African soil. 10th May dawn. You know dawn? Morning time of 4 or 5. Bright and clear. It was very bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been presently beside by dignitaries and world leaders. Okay, beside it means to be surrounded and closely by. Next, dignitaries, it means political leaders and famous personalities, and the world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before inauguration. Before inauguration, before the ceremony, so many people came to Nelson Mandela and they were respect and they were giving their wishes. The inauguration would be largest gathering ever of international leaders of South African soil. Here we are going to stop today. Okay, in next video I will explain you. So take care of